Ikea. How do you spell Ikea? Ikea.
Ikea. Yeah, like that.
No,
Oh, right there. 42 minutes. Should be that one.
Watch it take us to the wrong place. Okay.
Only 42 miles. And
Wow,
Luis is about to break the car.
That's a lot of miles.
Hey guys.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to the Mart Life.
Hey.
You guys say hi.
Welcome back to the Martfam.
They're too excited, you guys. Too excited because we're
Oh
going to
my God.
Ikea. This time it's not gonna be a fun place for them. Sobre todo for Jaden. Jaden will be like so boring. But we are going.
We'll make it exciting.
Hey, if there's a park, that's gonna change my fast.
We're going to Ikea and we're taking you guys along with us. Let's see how much things Luis bought for us.
Let's see if we can try to keep it zero.
Let's see.
Maybe one
That's
thing.
not gonna
One or two
happen.
things.
Be more realista.
Shopping
Okay?
spree.
Oh
What?
man.
Shopping
You're gonna go on a shopping spree?
I'm going to this.
Ali's gonna go shopping, Holly.
She's already been
What are you
shopping
gonna-
like 3 days.
What
I don't know.
are you expecting for Ikea, Ali? What do you want to buy?
Things for my room.
Things for your room.
I want to buy my remote control car.
That's a furniture and decoration store for your house. What do you want to buy?
Nothing. Only if there's Star Wars.
Ah.
I don't think there's a Star Wars in Ikea. But we'll see. Well, we'll see you guys when we get there.
See you there.
Well,
Dun 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 dun. I'm just kidding.
Oh, man, it's like you're walking into like
Dun, dun, dun,
important
dun, dun.
building or something.
You are. It's Ikea. We're supposedly French.
Oh, man, look here they go straight.
Yeah.
This is like troubling. Look,
It's
there's
because
so many
usually
different ways for you to go.
it's like usually it's a lot of traffic. Look, they even have B1,
I
B2. It's like huge.
I guess it's gonna get really bad later, huh?
Yeah. It's already packed. Look, and they just opened 30 minutes ago. Well, you guys, we are here. So excited. I am excited. I've been wanting it to come for a very, very long time. Ready, Papi Chulo?
Let's do this. I'm ready.
Go!
Looks huge.
What is it?
It looks like a mall.
It is.
It's like we're walking into a mall.
Look who's
And-
more excited.
Oh, Swedish. It's a Swedish flag. So that's how you say hello in Swedish. Hey.
Good morning.
I don't know where to go.
Ali, look at this. I needed this chair. It's a plastic one, but it does. And then we have a computer. Luis,
Man, there
What
is
do you-
so many things here.
it's like, what is that? Okay.
It's like a showroom.
What people like about Ikea is like it gives you ideas of like where to put it, how to decorate it, not just, and everything has a price. But anything you like on these things, you can buy. Jay, this is actually a living room idea. Look at this lámpara, you guys. This is like a living room idea.
Is it?
And this is like your little porch. Ikea, you can just like supposedly decorate it like this. This one's pretty. What are you guys boys doing? You guys having fun at Ikea?
Yeah. It's like having your own house. Look. Millions of houses.
What do you think about it? It's your first time coming, right?
Uh-huh. Bed alert.
Oh, bump it.
Bunk.
Look at this mirror, you guys. I can see my lonjita too. Cute. Déjenme arreglo. The thing about Ikea is that there's mirrors everywhere, so you can do your hair.
Twin bed right here. I think that's what he wants.
That's just 169 one more bed.
16 only?
Yep,
Only
only
169, guys. A report, only 169.
Only one. Is that cheap?
Yes.
Oh.
And then it comes with all that.
Oh, maybe you can use the
Comes with the
restroom.
bathroom.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're definitely not bringing Daddy to the store ever again. Oh, this is
Little
a
light?
cute light.
999.
Outside the window?
Outside the window.
Oh, look at that, you guys. It's like we're living a city. Actually, these cortinas are
That's outside
cute.
Cincinnati.
Girls just want to have fun. Oh, so that's a girl's
Also,
thing.
this is a girl's room.
Yeah,
Look
it's
at,
pink, you guys. Hello. Money.
look at, there's a little
I know. Ali, you didn't get a carrito.
Okay, I'll go get one.
Or like a bag, I think it is. The first one that got something already.
What is it?
She's already got it.
This is
Oh, that's what she
Oh,
got?
there's more, yeah.
Bobby, this is 39.
¿Qué hace o qué?
Esa
¿Qué
está,
hace?
no, esa está muy chapita. A mí se me hace chapita. It's just a blanket.
No way. Oh, 39 is only for this, Jay. It's only for this. Not for the
So the
bed.
deck's $89.99.
Yeah.
This is.
Well, that's expensive. That's expensive for that.
I am one.
Yeah, it is.
$2.99?
Actually, I take it back. Maybe IKEA is not cheap. Maybe it's just the way they remodel it for you. And
Maybe
it's
they
just
started. Maybe they started being cheap and then they started upscaling and being more expensive.
Oh my gosh. Hey, there's gonna be a challenge when you tell your daughter that you're not getting a blanket for $40.
$1.
They're not cool.
Let's see the muebles. Maybe we need a new furniture. Oh, let's see this one. This one's cool. She went to get a shopping cart. This sofas are not bad. Luis, come here. Let's try these sofas over here. Oh, a little bit hard, but not bad.
Shiny.
Let's go to sleep. They're not bad, these ones. They're just hard.
This is.
Well, it should be good because con el tiempo, let me see if I can aguadarlos.
Hey, this
Better
is
for the
249.
price.
How much are they?
$1,569.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Bobby will get.
Oh wow.
Why?
They're way too hard.
Are they hard or not?
Yeah, look, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a rock, huh?
Look at. It's too.
Oh my god.
Okay, that does not pass the softness test. My booty test.
How much money is 1,560.
Oh my gosh. Oh yes, with that, you can buy something like this in Ashley Furniture.
So we just figured something out. What did we find out?
That you always wonder where did you get all these things from?
I kept telling Jenny, I was like, I think you need to write down the numbers on each little thing that you find.
You know, you guys, I haven't been in IKEA for 4 years, and I only went like twice when they built it in Las Vegas. Oh, and this is where it tells you the map. Okay, let's do this. Now we're ready to try.
Now we're ready to go around. Let's go. Me and Jaden are gonna go exploring, okay?
Where's Ali?
I have no idea. Everybody's lost here.
I think it says
And I
that
told her to get a small car. She got a
the
huge
food.
car.
The food is downstairs.
Let's go check it out.
Okay.
Just one seat.
There's 2 chairs, 2 seats. And but it's 949. It's 949.
I mean, it's nice, but it's not $949 nice.
Wait,
10 years guarantee included, Luis.
Oh, yeah?
Bobby, here's the wheel bed.
Oh.
That's like a sofa bed.
Can you put it? It's nice.
It's nice.
Wait, we're trying it out. Alright, Bobby, are you allowed to do this? Bobby, are you allowed to go?
Well, if you're not, you're already doing it. Is this plastic? Oh no, it's glass.
It is glass?
Yeah.
No, it's glass.
Yeah, it is glass. Ooh, this one's nice, you guys. Only $19.99 for this one. Oh yes, baby. One. Let me check this shirt since we are actually looking for one shirt. Actually, this was not bad. Ooh, I think I like this one. Well, let's write it out. Let's see how much is it. $249. It's not bad. I really like it. Let's see if it goes up. Oh, it does goes up. I like it. This little desk, you guys, it's so cute too. Look at that. For your files. And it's only $3.49. It's not bad. It's nice.
Then you have so much pillow.
Wow. And it's only how much?
79.
Look at this kid, she's stylish. Nice. Comfortable? Is that comfortable?
Very comfortable.
All right, let's try it out. Jay, let's try it.
What?
What? Sure.
It's kind of hard.
It's hard?
The color here is hard.
Oh, look at this handsome guy. Who could be back there? Who's in here? You were showering?
I really like this one for a desk. I think it will definitely look nice. So it's $14.99 for the base, and then $16.99 for that. Ali wants, but this is not a sofa. This is just a bed. This will be very bulky in your room too. Something like that will be less bulky. Ali wants a sofa in her room instead of a bed now. What's wrong with this pretty? Satan is calling. Let's see what he wants. Hello. What's up? We're still on the sofas.
Bathrooms downstairs, plants downstairs.
This is everything that is downstairs. Janice knows.
Almost everything's downstairs.
Oh, wow. Okay, we need to hurry up then.
If I say yes to everything you guys like in the store, I would be broke. I would have no money. I'll say one thing, this is a big old store, and it's a warehouse, and I'm lost. Well, Jaden, we're not lost technically, but still. It's gonna take a full day, huh? For the girls to go through here?
Do you know where the exit is?
No. I don't know.
Go back down.
I'm just following the
How
arrows.
are
Look,
we supposed to go
look, you
back
see
up?
those arrows? Oh, and it's telling us to go that way. This way. See?
Wait, what?
Right?
What?
Look, there's another arrow.
What was that?
It's just like playing Modern Warfare. Follow the arrows.
Living zombies.
Yeah.
Look how long it is.
Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh my gosh. You know what? I think I want to get out of this maze already. I think we're ready.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry already?
I'm hungry.
We just got here.
Well, I'm hungry. That was pancakes. That wasn't food.
Oh my gosh.
After
I don't know what it is.
we have 2 more.
Oh, restaurant. Talking about being hungry.
Is it?
Yeah. Restaurant's open.
We had to make it. There's restaurants. Oh, here we are.
Oh, this is where the girls are gonna get lost. Look at all the mirrors. They're gonna want so many things. I thought we were done. Why not? How far do we have?
So we're here.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, no, we're here.
Yeah.
Let's go here, here.
Oh, here's where you get any kind of food. Oh my gosh. I think I want to get something. Oh my gosh, look at this.
What's this?
It looks like a ice cream.
Ice cream.
Oh, this is from over there.
Over there, where?
This is from the country. No, Swedish. See, that's a Swedish almond cake.
It's Swedish?
This is all from Sweden. Look, I bet this is from Sweden. Oh, that's pancakes. Ah, how much are they? Well, look up. Look right here.
Dude.
Look at this. 179. 179
For the strawberry one?
for any of them. That's probably gonna be chocolate.
Chocolate. That's strawberry.
Yeah. Look what we got.
But there's 2 hot dogs.
Ooh, one's for you, one's for me.
So maybe we can put this up. We can put this one.
Yeah. Look what we got. What?
Try this.
I know, they look good.
We never tried these.
So we're opening these cookies because we want to try them out. Please don't drop them.
They look very good.
Like this, look, you just put them on the bottom like that. There you go. And that's
Here's
mine.
yours.
I bet heart. Put them together. Hearts. Cheers, Jay. Let's cheer. 1, 2, 3. Cheers. How are they?
They're good. Oh, wow.
It's actually really good.
It's
I like them.
the chocolate cookie.
So we are full. We ate. We have
got the wrap.
icy.
Got the back.
We got some food.
Mommy, when
Let's
we
go find
lost,
Mommy.
We've got the back.
Let's just follow the arrows and we'll find Mommy. We found them. After we already ate. Oh,
Give her some.
oh, try these beautiful cookies. Let's. Yeah. It's a Belgian cookie.
That's gross. Is there other flavors?
There he is. When you get out, you can have that cup.
There's like a little berry. There's like a new berry.
Yeah, it's a berry. Lingonberry or something like that from Sweden.
Berry.
Come on, Ali. Ali, I want you to see how good they are.
It tastes like the cookies I get from school.
Nothing's good for her. How are they? Oh, yeah. That's how I felt when I was eating it.
Oh my God, they're right there. Guys, have you gone out of the United States?
Yes, I have.
Have you been out of the United States?
Huh?
You went to Mexico? Did you went to Mexico?
Like 3 times you've gone to Mexico.
Tijuana with Paula is Mexico. With Grandma is Mexico. O Cancun, o sea, se perdió, went to
No, you didn't go Cancun. We went to Cancun.
Let's go.
All right, so they were gonna take.
I need this.
No, she was. I told her not to do it, but she's like, no, I'm gonna take him anyway.
So I come over here and I tell them, hey, you know, all these are downstairs, and you look. A ver, what? What are you saying?
What are you eating?
Chicken strips, macaroni, fries, and dessert.
Wow. And it's sparkling water.
Yeah, you guys have the full
Because
service.
we
here.
don't have sodas here. And my makeup's all crooked.
What's this?
It's so hot in here, you guys. What do you think about Ikea so far? Do you like it? Will you come back again? Yeah? And spend all day in IKEA? How's the macaroni, Ali? That's a good face. A ver, let's see. Isa.
It's good.
You guys, IKEA doesn't have a soda. It has a sparkling drinks.
Whatever sparkling you want. Lemon,
Whatever what?
any sparkling drink you want.
Look at what Ali got. It's so cute, actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna pay half and half of it.
Oh my god, I haven't seen any half and half or anything she has said. So, I don't know where this half and half is going.
That means I pay half, you pay half.
So we're looking for mommy. Hey, come here. How many things do you think mommy has in her cart? 10 things? Do you think it's full or not full? Huh? What do you think? Not full? Oh, I hope it's not full. Whoa. We found them, finally.
She wants stuff for something.
Let's go look, come here. Let's go look at the cart. We're the cart inspectors. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14.
Whoa. 14 things?
I counted the food too.
I know, I saw that. I was like, why are you counting food? But okay.
Wait, were the chips free?
They came with the meal that we got.
Were they free?
It came with a meal.
Were they free? Into the,
No, it's not. They're not free because they come in a meal.
into the meal.
Yeah, you pay for a meal and it has all that.
My stuffed animal.
Oh, yeah, you do.
Yes, I need this.
For what? To put yourself in there?
This is the end of the store. It's kind of like a warehouse. Then you come and grab whatever you want. You want one of the zampras? You take it. So pretty. I did not know IKEA has like real plants. Look at that. So pretty. Time to pay. This one's so pretty. Well, you guys, we just paid. Somebody's happy with this cute elephant. What do you guys thought about Ikea? What do you guys thought about Ikea? You guys like it?
Yes.
Luis, check the receipt and let me know if you like Ikea.
I don't even want to look at no receipts. No receipts.
And we didn't even buy any furniture, you guys. So, but yeah, it was good. They have food. They have a store.
We didn't spend that much. It was only 185.
Only.
How much?
185. And we spent more in Target.
We did not spend more in Target.
Hey, se están descubriendo, eh?
Oh my gosh, Ali, that's not good.
Look at this.
We're gonna go eat 12 movies, right?
Yes. We can relax and chill
Okay.
and decompress from all this stress.
Okay, bam.
Shopping stress.
What is it? Oh, I'll try it right now. Okay, what we were thinking? Yeah. Well, you guys, we just finished
Hope you
shopping.
guys like the tour.
It was a little tour of what you can see and find at IKEA. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. And if you guys have one close to where you guys live, check it out.
Yeah, make sure you go check it out.
It's nice. We'll
Make sure you have a whole day to be in
yeah.
that store.
And if you get hungry, don't worry. There's food. Plenty
They
of
got
food.
you.
We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.